When activating a shockable rhythm, the shock response options become available on the instructor panel. These options determine the result of any shocks performed by the student. Tapping the panel allows you to customize the response. You can change the post-shock ECG, which can be customized depending if Defib sync was enabled when the shock is performed. Additionally, you can require a certain number of shocks, above a specified energy, for your post-shock response to be activated. Any shocks below the energy threshold are ignored. For this example, if the student performs a sync shock above 120 joules, a sinus waveform is activated. If sync is not enabled, no change occurs. Our student charges to 150 joules and performs the shock. Because sync was not enabled, the waveform remains unchanged. Now, our student charges again to 150 joules and enables sync. This passes our instructor's requirement and the sinus waveform is activated. When CPR is required, the instructor activates the CPR panel. Tapping Start CPR activates waveform artifacts on the student monitor. The instructor selects the rate and depth by observing the compressions being performed. If a Bluetooth mannequin is connected, the quality of CPR is detected automatically. See separate video for details on QCPR. Correct rate and depth results in better recovery of vital signs. The ROSC dialog prompts the instructor to select a ROSC-compatible waveform. Pressing Stop CPR automatically activates any pending waveform selections. Vital signs recover automatically after CPR stops, to match the active instructor settings. Activation of the pulseless electrical activity mode causes all vitals except for ECG and heart rate to drop. After disabling pulseless electrical activity mode, vitals recover to the instructor selected values.